Alright, we're going to continue our segment on preparing an attic for more insulation. As you can see, we have a typical pull-down attic. No attic tent, wide open. I can feel the cold air coming down. And as you can see, as we put the ladder down, the built-up insulation here that's about to fall on the ground. But here's your typical attic. Wide open. We have a 2x4 hole. Again, you can feel the cold air coming down. So we're going to start by putting our attic tent in and preparing some other areas of the attic. Okay, here you can see we've got our attic tent installed, so now we can work up here and have the attic somewhat sealed off. But here's the problem. You have plywood right on top of your ceiling joist and all these Christmas decorations and storage that are stored on top. So what we're going to be able to do is build a platform over here to the right. Okay. Unlike the previous attic we were in, we have obviously a lot more height and an AC unit, heating and air conditioning unit with ductworks in here as well. So we have our area designated where we're going to put our platform, a 12x8 platform over here. But before we do that, we've got 2 can lights, a couple pipes. We've got to prepare this area. Again, we're going to raise it up. We're going to keep it up about 1 foot so we can re-insulate later. But we have to cap off these lights and these pipes before we put the platform down.
That's pretty tight.
Okay, we got our platform complete. You can see how we did it. We took 2 2x4s, nailed them together, raised this whole platform a full 12 inches. What that allowed us to do was move all these boxes and all these crates over on top of the platform. They're up, out of the way, easy to get to. And then now we can remove the plywood that was holding the boxes before. And you can see what happens when you put plywood on top of your ceiling joist. Flattens all the insulation out, flattens all the air out, defeats the whole purpose of the insulation. But by building this platform up 12 inches, it allows us to get everything moved up on top of it, up out of the way, and still gives us plenty of room to blow our insulation up underneath. So when making a platform in your attic, this is the way it needs to be done. You don't want to put it right down on top of your ceiling joist.